The FDA has published briefing documents for the March 30, 2022 PCN-SDAC meeting to review the company's new drug application, NDA, for AMX0035, sodium phenylbutyrate, PB, and torsodiol, TURSO, a topical corticosteroid. The NDA is for the treatment of psoriasis and other inflammatory skin diseases. The application has been submitted to the FDA in accordance with the Fast Track process. The goal of the PCN-SDAC is to provide feedback to the FDA on the effectiveness and safety of the new drug and to provide recommendations on the advisory committee meeting is scheduled for 10 a.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday, March 30, 2022. The company is not responsible for the content of, nor the statements made in, the briefing materials that are prepared by the FDA. The Prescription Drug User Fee Act, PDUFA, target action date for the AMX0035, N.D.A. is June 29, 2022.